Hello test takers and welcome back to Exam Prep Solutions. Today we're going to be looking at another ethics problem here. I don't think there's much of a point for me to go over too many of these as this approach is kind of the same for all of them. This is what you need to do with these kinds of problems. Just read carefully what is in the model law in the FE handbook excerpts. You're going to want to have that open when attempting these sorts of problems. So here's this one. In order to obtain licensure, an engineer must have all the following except, and here's all the answers here. We're looking for the one that doesn't apply. Be of good character and reputation, satisfy the education and experience set forth by the board, pass the examination set forth by the board, demonstrate respect for the engineering and surveying community. Now let's just say you didn't have this excerpt out in front of you. You were just trying to do this based off reasoning. These all seem very reasonable, right? Demonstrate respect for the engineering and surveying community, passing examinations, education, good character, right? But here's the point. You really need to have that FE exam excerpt open, read it carefully, and understand everything that's in it to answer this question appropriately here. So if we look at eligibility for licensure, just remember, in order to attain licensure, that's what the problem is asking, not in general, should you demonstrate respect for the engineering and surveying community, or in general, what should you be as an engineer in order to obtain licensure? You can see here it has be of good character and reputation, satisfy the education criteria, pass the applicable examinations, right? Those three are there. This one is not. Well, that might apply to other parts of the model law or just in general makes sense. You need to read specifically what is in the manual and what they're trying to answer there. So we would put D. That does not apply when it comes to obtaining licensure. These other requirements do apply. That is how to do this problem. When doing these ethics problems, just read carefully the section, make sure you read through all the problems, the question, you understand it, and answer it carefully. So that's how to do those. If you have any questions about any FE exam problems or the test, just leave it in a comment down below. Anyways, that is today's problem, and I'll see you guys next time.